Some of the equipment that a lot of folks are talking about in the industry right now are heat pumps. Heat pumps are an efficient way to heat and cool your space, and they fit really well in the 1790 tax deduction program. So folks who are installing heat pumps in commercial buildings, they can qualify for the 1790 deduction at a potential $5 per square foot. In addition, if you're installing a geothermal heat pump system, you could also benefit from the investment tax credit, which could be 30% of the cost you spend to install that system.